Okay, so I'll give you an update on where we stand with the table saw station. As you can tell, we got the table saw mounted to the base that we did earlier. We need to circle back and do the drawers later on. We did get the extension wing added on, which also doubles as a downdraft table. I went back and replaced I had to go back and replace the existing fence that I had because the old fence had an L-bar back here that was going to be blocking my extension wing. So I had to replace that with a custom-made one. So that's what we did in another video. What I didn't film was the addition of a router station. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on adding a router station to the wing of your table saw. Definitely go look at those. They're very similar to what I wound up doing. Also have a port for dust collection in there. Built it into the fence as well. So you can see you have an extension area for the suction. So there's only one part that we need to do now, and it's make the next station. So what is the next station? Well, using my jigsaw, and I got a 10-inch Bosch blade, which will act as an upside down bandsaw. And we're gonna use that to fit right into this area here. And when I'm not using the router station, I'll put the blade in and be able to use a shorter looking bandsaw. So now this should act as a bandsaw instead of me going out and getting a standalone bandsaw. So let's get started.